Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create Fiverr gig image using Canva. Let's get started. Fiverr is a popular freelancing platform where you can offer various services. To attract clients, you need to create visually appealing gig images. These images play a significant role in showcasing your services effectively. Let's create one using Canva, a free graphic design platform. All you need is to sign up with your email or Gmail address to start. For this example, we will create a gig image for a social media marketing service. Begin by checking existing gig images in the same category for inspiration. This will help you understand how to make your design stand out. Go to canva.com and log in. Click on Custom Size and switch from pixels to inches. Alternatively, you can use a blank presentation template if you prefer. Larger dimensions will give better image quality. On the left panel, you'll see different templates. We'll start from scratch. Click on Elements and add shapes, illustrations, or other design elements. Start with a blank canvas and change the background color. For example, if your gig is for Instagram marketing, use colors like Instagram signature pink. Choose a light pink from the color options. Next, add a square element. Resize and position it in the center using the purple alignment lines as a guide. Change its color to black and adjust its transparency to add depth. This creates a layered look that makes your image visually appealing. If you have your own image for the gig, upload it to Canva. Otherwise, search for a stock image. For this example, search for businesswoman and select a suitable illustration. Resize and position the image on the canvas. You can adjust the colors of illustrations by clicking on the Image Colors option in the top left. Return to the Elements section and search for arrows. Choose and position the arrows to direct focus to key parts of your design. Rotate and align them to enhance the overall layout. Now, add text to describe your gig. Go to the Text section and select a font combination. Ungroup the elements if necessary and keep the parts you want. For beginners, font combinations can make the design process easier. Add your service title, like Social Media Marketing for Instagram. Resize and align the text for readability. Customize the colors. For example, make the word Instagram pink to match the theme. Add details about your services. Use smaller text boxes for features like Instagram boosts, follower growth, or content creation. Duplicate and position these text boxes to create a clean, professional layout. Adjust colors and fonts to maintain consistency. For additional decoration, go back to Elements and add lines or borders to frame your design. Small details like these can make your gig image look polished. Once you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Download and select your preferred format such as PNG or JPEG. Save the image and upload it to your Fiverr gig. That's it. Also, to keep your online activity safe while freelancing or managing your earnings, I highly recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your connection and keeps your data private. You can try NordVPN at a great price by clicking the link in the description. It's a simple way to stay secure online while you focus on your freelancing work.